Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be unbox this, which is non-stick baking paper. So this is fat free cooking, no need for greasing, and microwave and oven proof. What else? Yeah, it is from a brand Pace non-stick baking paper, and they have written on what heat, Fahrenheit, what Celsius you have to keep your oven while baking it. You can put it in a biscuit tray and no need to grease. If you'll place this in your baking pan or tray, then no need for greasing the pan or all. By that you'll reduce the intake of oil or anything, butter, whatever you are using in it. And what else? So yeah, it is 5 meters, which is 5 meter by 300 mm. So this is the size of that. Nice. And it costed me around $1. So let's open it and see how it is. So this is how the baking paper looks like. There's a tape in it. See how transy it is. You can even see my fingers below this. So it's a greasy paper. You need to place it in your baking tray, and then you can easily bake. It will not stick to whatever cake or anything, muffins you are baking. It will not stick. So that is the plus point in it. So friends, if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe and press that bell icon for more my videos.